So let me first explain you the problem and then I'll share you the solution. So let's say you have created a custom field inside your user object. So here I am inside my user object, and if I go to the fields and relationship, I have already created one custom field called is verified, and it's a checkbox field. Now what I have done under this settings, if I go to the users, I have created a custom list view called my users, and inside the list view I have already added this custom field. But here is the problem. As you can see, even though I have the full edit permission on this custom field, but when I've added that field inside this list view, I'm not able to do any inline editing. There is no pencil icon. So that's a problem I recently faced for one of my customer, and I'd like to show you the solution for that. Now, before I share you the solution, there are a couple of things that you need to make sure that is enabled inside your org. So under the settings, if you search for user interface, you will find the settings called user interface. You click on there and then make sure these two checkboxes are enabled. One is enable inline editing and another is enable enhanced list. So these are the two checkboxes that should be enabled for your org. With that enabled, what you need to do, you need to go to the object manager and then you need to go to the user object. And once you go to the user object, there is two sections. One is called user page layout and one is called the user profile page layout. So make sure you click on the profile page layout, not the page layout. So you click on this profile page layout. There should be already a profile page layout available. So click on that and then search for the custom field that you have just created. So for example, in my case, this is a custom field, and all I need to do, I need to drag and drop that inside this profile page layout and click on save. So again, don't drop it in the user page layout, drop it inside the user profile page layout. So once you have done that, you should be good to go. Go back to the settings and search for users, click on that and open the same list view. And you will be able to see that this time I am able to do the inline editing. So basically this is a solution. So every time you create a custom field on the user object and add that custom field in the list view, and if you see that you are not able to do the inline editing, the reason is that custom field is not added into the user profile page layout. So you will add that field to the user profile page layout and then you're good to go. Then you can add that field in the list view and you will be able to do the inline editing. It's a short video, but since I faced this problem for my project last week, I thought I'll create this video and publish in my YouTube channel. Hope that it will help somebody someday. And if this video really helped you, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. I publish videos on Salesforce, Google Cloud, Claude, AI on different technical topics. So please hit the bell icon so that next time when I'll publish videos like this, I want you to be notified first. Till my next video, stay safe. Thank you. Bye-bye.